electronics. So in this video we are going to see a recruitment news from Indian Coast Guard. So if you have at least 10th qualification, then there is opening for you. Okay, so please do watch this video if you have at least 10th qualification. And also I'm suggesting that only male candidates should watch this video because there is opening only for male candidates. Okay, so let us see the details one by one. So there's a recruitment happening from Indian Coast Guard, and the posts they are recruiting are Navik General Duty, then Navik again Domestic Branch, and Yantrik. So the qualifications, I'll be giving you a brief. It is for 10th qualification, 12th and 10 plus diploma. Okay, so these are the qualifications. Anyway, we'll be seeing in detail also. And this is only for male candidates. If you see the beginning of the notification itself, online applications are invited from male Indian citizens having the possessing the qualifications. Okay, so female candidates can apply. Okay, so let us see the detailed qualification requirement for the Navik General Duty. 10th plus 2, that is 12th qualification, and also maths and physics you should have studied. Okay, so that is a qualification for Navik General Duty. Next, for Navik Domestic Branch, the qualification is 10th. 10th qualification is essential for Navik Domestic Branch. For Yantrik, it is 10th plus diploma. Okay, and the branches they are recruiting are electrical, mechanical, electronics, and telecommunication. It is actually electronics / telecommunication. So both electronics diploma and telecommunication diploma can also apply. Okay, so these are the qualification requirement. Age limit is from 18 to 22 years is the age limit. Okay, and talking about the vacancy details, there's a good amount of vacancies actually. For Navik General Duty, 260 vacancies is there. For Navik Domestic Branch, 50 vacancies. For Yantrik, Mechanical 31, Electrical 7, Electronics 10. Okay, so these are the vacancy details. Now, talking about the selection process. So, we have seen regarding the details of qualification and age limit. Now, let us see the selection process. Selection process is actually, they have given in very detail in the notification. That is what all things are going to happen in various stages. And in that stage, what all things will be there. Everything they have given in detail. Okay. So the selection process consists of a stage 1, which is a written examination. That will be a computer-based examination only. And for various category of recruitments, what all things should be there, what is the timing, everything they have given in detail. Okay, that is for the Navik Domestic Branch, for Navik Ground Duty, then Yantrik, Electrical, Electronics, and Mechanical. They have given as various sections for various categories. Now, if you want a separate video on the selection process, please do mention in the comment section. We'll be doing a separate video. Okay. So, that is a separate video. Next, for the stage 2. So, the stage 1 is a computer-based examination. Stage 2 will be having various things. We'll see what all things will be there. Okay. For stage 2, there is a physical fitness test. There is a physical examination will be there. Document verification will be there. And also, there will be reassessment for inconsistent performers. Maybe they'll conduct one more test. Okay, that is another thing going to happen in stage 2. Then again there will be initial medical examination also they have included in the stage 2. Now talking about the stage 3, the stage 3 will be having document verification, then submission of original documents, police verification, and associated forms. Then stage 4 will be candidates are to submit the original documents and verification of all original documents through boards, universities, and state government will be carried out by the Indian Coast Guard. So this is the selection process. Selection process is actually quite a lengthy thing because there is a stage 1 examination, stage 2 is having various things, physical exams, initial medical exams, document verification, again all these things. Then stage 3 again they are keeping for final document verification, which is an official one. Okay. So all these things are included in the selection process, and the selection process is a very good detailed thing given in the notification. Okay, in detail you can see if you see the notification. I'll be sharing the notification link in description also. Okay, so next, how to apply. So applications are accepted online only from 5th January. That is, you can apply from 5th January to 19th January 2021. Last date is 19th January only, and you have to follow this site. joinindiancoastguard.cdac.in is the site you have to follow. I'll be directly giving the link in description also. You can directly click on that link and you can apply. Okay. So that is the application procedure, and only applications are invited online. Okay. So you can only apply online by clicking on the link. So that is the application procedure. Next, the last date also we have seen. Talking about the exam fees, there is fees for applying. The candidates have to pay 250 rupees. For the general category I'm talking. For the SCST people, they are exempted from paying the fees. Okay. So for applying, there is 250 rupees fees. But there is actually a lot of openings and a lot of people are eligible. So there is good amount of vacancy. So you can always try. Okay. Anyway, the fees is 250 rupees for general categories. Okay. Next, exam city, they have also told the candidates have to give 5 preferences of exam city in the application for stage 1 and stage 2 process. So for every stage you have to select an examination center. So for the exam centers, they have given the detail like this. They have not actually mentioned the exam cities, but since it is a big recruitment, there will be exam centers on all major cities of India. Otherwise, if I'm getting any idea regarding the exam centers, I'll be sharing that in description also. Okay. So this is the recruitment details and the selection process. Now talking about the pay and perks and other benefits for NAVIC general duty, that is we are talking about the salary or the pay scale. Okay, so for NAVIC general duty, the basic pay will be 21,700 rupees. Okay, and also allowances will be there. Next, for NAVIC domestic branch, the pay scale is almost same, 21,700 rupees plus allowances. For Yantrik category, the pay scale, the basic pay is 29,200 rupees, and also you will be additionally getting a 6,200 rupees and nearness allowances and other allowances also. Okay. So that is the pay scale for Yantrik, all categories. And also they have talked about the promotion and prerequisites, everything they have given in detail, and also the other benefits, what all other benefits you will be getting, your insurance coverage, everything they have given in detail. Okay. So this is the recruitment from Indian Coast Guard. We have seen all details regarding the recruitment. Also, we have seen the last date. It is 19th of January. So there is enough time for applying. But don't wait till that. If you think that you are eligible, please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay. So there is actually opening for people from 10th qualification. So if you are interested, please see the notification in detail and apply for it as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, please to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.